What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I did a blue and silver double cut crease makeup tutorial. I have not done a double cut crease in so long, so I was like, I need to do one. And because it is December and December brings on snow, I feel like the color scheme for the beginning of December is like blues and whites and silvers, and then it gets on into the red and green Christmassy stuff. So I figured I'd take advantage of the blueness because I just got a new Morphe palette. What a shock! And it had this beautiful navy blue color, and I just fell in love with it, and I was like, I need to do a look. So I definitely used that to my advantage, and I think it paid off very well. So if you'd like to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, the first thing I'm doing is pulling out my Too Faced Naturalist bronzer. Okay guys, so now I'm just pulling out my 9S So Chill Morphe palette. And first I'm just going to be going into the color Breather and just putting that on my crease. And now I'm going into the color Keep It Cool, and I'm going to be doing a double cut crease look, so I'm kind of going to be making a spoon shape, so I'm going to be going over my eyelid and then out, extending it. If you guys are confused, just watch me do it really quickly and you'll hopefully get the point. Now I'm going into the color Zero Stress and just putting that on my brow bone. I'm just pulling out my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and just putting this on my eyelid and defining the double cut crease. Now I'm just going into the color Sunday Vibes and putting that on the concealer we just applied. And now I'm just pulling out my Too Faced Tutti Frutti Liquefied Eyeshadow in the color Guava Glitz, and I'm just going to be putting this in between where Sunday Vibes and Keep It Cool meets, and we're just going to be really defining the double cut crease. And now, what a shock, I'm taking out my ColourPop Sandstorm Palette, and I'm going to be going into the color Hungry Ghost and just putting this on top of the Guava Glitz liquid eyeshadow we just applied, just to give it a little bit more sparkle. And because these are real glitter sparkles and they actually can get everywhere, just make sure that you dab it lightly so that they do not get everywhere. Do not like swipe it or anything like that, because then it could get messy. And now I'm just pulling out my NYX Professionals That Is the Point eyeliner in the color Put a Wing on It, and I'm just going to be doing a wing. Now I'm pulling out my NYX Professionals eye pencil in the color Black, shock, and I'm just going to be putting this on my waterline. And now I'm just going to be going into the color Sunday Vibes and just putting that underneath my eye. And now we're going back into the color Keep It Cool, and we're going to be putting this underneath our eye really close to our waterline. Now I'm going back into my liquid eyeshadow and just putting this in the inner corner of my eye. Okay guys, I'm going to go do the other eye off camera, and then I will be back for everything else. Okay guys, I'm just moving on to highlighter, and I'm pulling out my Tarte 9 Ways to Shine Highlighting and Contour Palette. And I'm just going to be pulling out the highlighter in the color Frosty. That is my dog barking. That's fun. We love a good barking dog in the background. Oh my god, he's a... Oh. We get it! Someone is here! And now I'm just pulling out the blush Sleigh Bells. And now I'm just pulling out my Better Than Sex mascara. Pulling out my Too Faced Melted Matte Talc Liquefied Lipstick in the color What a Shock, Faking It. Okay, beauty babes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any video requests or review requests or thing requests or anything like that, and I'll try my hardest to do them. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, it will be located out right over here, and it'll also be linked down below, along with my last video, which is playing under me right now, so you guys should definitely check that out. If you guys would like to subscribe to my channel, it is obviously the subscribe button down below, and make sure you hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload any new video. If you guys ever do any of these looks, make sure to DM me them or tweet me them or anything like that, because I would honestly love to see that kind of stuff. Anyways, okay, I think that is all I have to say, so bye bye, you guys, love you.